Hello, it's Saturday, and even though I haven't worked a Monday through Friday or 40-hour-a-week job for a long time, for some reason I still associate Saturday and Sunday with time off. Not that I don't paint or do the same things on those days that I do on the other days, but it's kind of with a different mindset. It's like I'm not as in accomplishment mode, I'm more in reflecting, getting ready, being grateful, planning, doing nothing, being okay. So there are two games that I play with myself and have for most of my life. One is the 10 thing game, and the other is what could I check off my list first thing game. I guess there's three games, and the other one is what is the most important thing, the one and only thing I need to accomplish today. I was tidying up the studio a while back, and I saw that I bought some lavalier microphone, which would be really handy if I had it on me as I was filming this right now, because even though I'm across the room or noises might happen outside like the train or whatever, you'd still be able to hear me, which isn't often the case with me not using a microphone. So even though this is where the game comes in, I can put this aside. I picked it up, I can put it over there and forget about it till the next time I pick it up, and then put it over there and forget about it, so on and so on and so on. I don't want to do that over and over and over with every single thing that I've got, because pretty soon they just pile up, all these things, undone things that you just keep picking up and putting down and picking up and putting down. So I like to choose something for this game that I can just, ready or not, deal with. I could check it off my list. Today, right now, not tomorrow, not next time I pick this up, right now, oh gosh, look at those hands. Not after I clean the hands, right now, I'm gonna stop this video, I'm gonna figure out, maybe I'll take the process too, I don't know, but this is what I'm going to do next, because I don't wanna pick it up anymore without checking it off the list. I'm gonna figure out how to use this microphone, and I'm gonna use it today, and then I'll be done, and that will be a glorious thing. Okay. I thought I would read the directions to it, to using it, and they are not here. So it says no drive required, so that's good. I don't know, I just plugged it in. I'm gonna test it out. I have no idea if it's working. I'm gonna test it out by walking way far away and talking a lot quieter than I normally would talk, and then playing this back and seeing if you could hear me, if that actually happened. Okay, I can't walk too far because I'm connected to this. Here we go. I'm talking, I'm talking, I'm talking, I'm talking, I'm talking. How far away can I go and still talk? Quite a ways. Oh, this is a nice long cord. Okay, can I turn my back and still talk, and can you still hear me? Oh, this learning curve is just exhausting. I'm probably going to have to get on YouTube and find out how to use this, but let's just blindly try it without knowing anything about how to do it. Okay. Da 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 da. Here comes the moment of truth.